Did I give any homework? Hello?
Yes, sir. Exercise 4.3.
Yeah, have you solved it?
Yes, sir. I had some doubts.
Yeah, let's discuss the doubts. Don't worry. Have you solved? That's what my question is.
Yes, sir.
Linear equations, right? We are solving. Yeah, what's the exercise? Exercise 4.
3.
Yeah, some other kids also need to join, right?
So are you saying something?
Nothing. Just a second. Let's start. Yeah, have you done the questions? Like first question, any doubts you have? Hello?
So not in the first question. So once.
First one was easy, sir.
Yeah,
Second,
sir.
second one? What's the answer, Rahat? Second
So
question?
1 second, let me just check the question. So I had doubt in question number 2, I guess. Because I haven't done question 2. I have done the rest.
Question 2, fine. So let me ask you one question. For example, can you see the screen?
No, sir.
Arushi, can you see the screen?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
I
So
can't
now,
see.
you can't see.
No, sir.
Could you rejoin them?
Yeah, sure.
So Lavanya and Arush has not joined.
Yeah, Arusha's pending. That's right. Because they are having some problem, I don't know. That's why I sent to Matamata. She said they may be joining. Yeah. Suppose, Rahat, tell me, suppose if there is a point x comma y, can you see the screen now?
Yes, now I can see.
Yeah. So x comma y, and from this point, so many lines can pass, right? Like a line can go like this. A line can pass like this, a line can pass like this. Like infinite number of lines can pass through this point, right? Hello?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah. So can I say there are infinitely many lines, many lines can pass through this particular point 2, 14?
Yes.
So what's the reason?
Um,
Could you tell me? Think for a while.
so because there's only 1 point, so
So,
like
Arushi,
there can be infinite lines.
Arshi, any idea?
So from 2 point only one line can pass. From only from 1 point infinity lines can pass. Because
Yeah.
it is not joining any other point. Basically. So there are no overlapping lines or anything.
So okay, fine. So fine. Okay. Satisfied with your reasons. What's the third question? Anybody has any doubt in the third one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Third question, any doubt? What's the answer if you're no doubt?
No, sir. So 5.3. A is 5.3.
5? 5 upon 3, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Arushi, you got that answer?
No, I actually haven't solved this. I will solve this.
Fourth question.
So no doubt.
No doubt. What's the answer?
So the equation, I'm not sure, but y equals to 5x plus 3.
Good, correct.
Okay.
Sixth question. Sorry, fifth.
Fifth question. 1 second. Yes, sir, I've solved it.
Yeah. So y is equals
So,
to x, कौन सा figure है? मतलब
so for figure 4.6, the equation is x plus y equals
x plus y.
y
Okay.
equals to 0. Like
Good.
for
Good.
and for figure 4.7, y equals to minus x plus 2.
Yeah. Y is equal to. Good. Sixth question. Sixth question.
So I had a doubt in this one.
If the work done on a body on an application of a constant force is directly proportional to its distance traveled by the body, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we know work done is equals to force into displacement. This is the formula. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So y is equals to, so let us say that work done is y and displacement is x. So what is the force constant? Constant, right? Force is a constant there.
Yeah.
Constant force 5 units. So y is equals to 5x.
Okay.
Yeah. So now can you plot this graph? Y is equals to 5x.
Graph. I don't. Yeah, I mean, we have to take, like, using the formula, we'll have to take out y and y.
Hmm. So can you find can you plot the graph for this? Y is equals to 5x.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Plot it, and after plotting it, find the value for x is equals to 2. Sorry. Yeah. X is equals to 2 units. Like.
Okay, sir. Sir, we can directly use the formula also, right? I mean, they have given, like,
Yeah,
the
you can
first one
directly
2 units, so we
directly,
can.
but in the question they said that also read from the graph when the distance traveled by the
Oh,
body is
okay.
2 units and 0 units.
Okay, sir. So you want me to do it right now, right?
Yeah, I want you to do right.
Okay, sir. So I got the like the points. So like one is 2 and 10, and one is 0 and 0.
So you understood?
Yes, sir.
Just a second, I'll be back.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing anything on the screen?
Next, seventh question.
So 7th once
Many
so
and
I
partition
did
to
it, but
students of
like
class 9. Yeah. Have you done
I
this?
am not sure.
Okay. Arushi, what about you? Arushi?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Have you done the seventh question?
No, sir, I'll be doing. From this fourth question, I didn't do any of the questions. I'll be doing now.
Okay. Then. Let's do one thing. We'll discuss. Okay. And I'll give some time. Please try that then.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Arushi. Sorry. Right.
Sir, so can you repeat what you said? I couldn't hear you.
No, I was saying she hasn't done that question. So if you also haven't done any question, you can also try them. And then just after it's 6:20. So
Oh,
maybe
okay.
by 6:25 we'll start discussing all the questions, the remaining.
Okay, sir.
7 and 8 are left. So we'll discuss only 2 questions are left. We'll discuss them and we'll start with a new chapter.
Yes, sir.
This is what with the linear equations. We'll start with a new chapter. In school, what is the topic
So
going on?
okay. So in Poddar, sir had just completed some geometry one. I'll just tell you which chapter. But next chapter which he's going to start is he's going to start with triangles.
Yeah,
He's
sir.
in coordinate
My ma'am
geometry.
started with
Yeah,
my
we'll
ma'am
start with
started with triangle.
we'll start with the triangles. Like if you
Yeah.
complete this, we'll discuss by 6:30 we'll complete and by 6:30 we'll start with the triangles.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
complete it fast.
So I have got the linear equation. We have to draw the graph for this also. What?
Yes.
Okay. I'll tell you the linear equation.
Okay, what's the linear equation you've got
So I've
for
got
the
x
seven?
plus.
One second. For
I'll
this.
write in the chat box for you.
No, you can tell me.
Okay. I've got x plus y is equal to 100.
Yeah, it's correct.
Yes, sir. Same. Even
Yeah,
I've done that.
yeah, it's the correct.
So graph done.
Done.
It's basically a right angle triangle.
Hmm. Is it done? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So,
Is it done?
so I'm doing question number 8.
Okay.
Take time.
Take your time.
Hello.
Yeah, Arush.
So
What?
I had network issues. Actually, there wasn't any network near in my building. That's why I wasn't able to join early.
Okay, it's okay. Fine. Anyways, we are almost done with that exercise. We shall do some other. We shall do this exercise later. Today we're gonna solve this. Start with a new concept, new topic. Triangles.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
I have got question number 8. I'm not getting the question number 1. I got all of the other ones.
Question number 8. 1.
1, the first one.
Yeah, so even I had it out in that one only.
Because the other ones are.
8 1 is just a drawing a graph, right?
Yeah,
So
sir.
like the points, how do I get the points?
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, in the previous tuition which I had, they have completed all the exercises and examples of the chapter triangle.
Okay. But we were
So it
sat.
is, sir, so that is already there in my notebook.
Okay.
So should I do it again?
Yeah, because these guys haven't completed, and my plan of action is like we need to complete triangles in the next coming weeks.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, next is the Fahrenheit to the Celsius. Like F is equals to 9 upon 5. Can you see the screen, everybody? I'm
Yes, sir.
writing. I'm writing. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. F is equals to 9 upon 5 into 9 upon 5 into C plus 32. So to get the points, like what is your expectation? How they're thinking to get, like, what is the question? 1 second. Yeah. Draw the
So,
graph of the linear equation. Yeah.
yeah, sir.
So it is C with respect to F. Suppose if I take C as 5, what will be the value of F? 32 plus 9, right?
Yeah, sir.
32 plus 9, that is 41. If I
Uh,
take C as 10, hello? If I take C as 10, what will be the value?
82.
Is that?
82, I guess.
1 second. 82 क्यों आएगा? If you keep C as 10, that will be 9 into 2 plus 32. That is 18 plus 32, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
18 plus 32 is 50, right? Hello?
Plus.
Yeah. If you keep C as 15, it will be 9 into 3 plus 32, right? Right? That will be 15 plus
Yes,
32.
sir.
15 plus 32. That is 47. So like that, I guess these 3 points are sufficient to draw the graph. Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can do this question later. So let's start with the triangles today then. Okay. What's the chapter number of the triangles?
I'll just tell you. Just a
So chapter
second.
number 7.
Yeah.
So in the triangles concept, okay. So before jumping, what is a triangle in your terms? Rehat, what is a triangle?
Sir, three-sided figure.
Okay. Three-sided figure with which has 3 sides and 3 angles. It's a three-sided figure which has
Yeah. It's
3
an
angles.
enclosed
It's a
three-sided
three-sided figure.
polygon.
Yeah, polygon. So 3 angles, 3 sides, and 3 vertices. Right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the triangle is like. Suppose if मान लो मैंने 2 triangles दिया. Suppose if this length is 5, this length is 5, this length is 6, this length is 6, this length is 7, and this length is 7. Can I say are the both, suppose this is ABC triangle and this is DEF triangle. Can I say these both figures are similar? Same
Yes,
triangle.
sir.
Can I say triangle ABC is equals to
Congruent.
is triangle DEF?
Congruent.
ABC is
Yes.
equal to triangle DEF. Suppose मान लो the same triangle like another triangle which is PQR, which is 10, 12, and 40. Now can I say these both are similar in shape? Hello?
Yes.
Because ये 5 हुआ तो ये double of the 5, right? PQ is double of the 5.
Hmm.
If this is 7, this is double of that BC, that is 14. If AC is 6, PR is double of it, that is 12, right? So these both are equal, but the same name for the equal is congruent. In geometry, if we say two shapes are same, then we say that is congruent. Okay. Hello?
So your voice is breaking.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, but
Yeah. So they are called congruent there. Okay, they are called congruent shapes. So if ऐसा है मतलब in this case like ABC and PQR, if they are like one is just enlarged object of the other. Hello. If one object is enlarged or shorter छोटा सा version of that particular object, then we call they are similar. What are we called? Similar. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
What chapter are we doing?
We are doing triangles, Lavanya. We just started.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So what does congruent means?
so when all the sides
Equal
and
in all
angles are equal.
figures. Yeah. Equal in all aspects.
Congruent means as we'll simply say whose shape and sizes are equal. Okay. Hello. Hello. Whose shapes and sizes
Yes,
are
sir.
equal.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
that is called
Hello.
those shapes are called congruent.
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 Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So I'll give you some triangles. Just let me know whether the triangles are congruent or not.
Okay.
So are these two congruent or not?
They are.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what triangles are congruent here?
So ABC and
PQR. No, ABC, yeah, then PQR.
This congruent.
PQR. Yes, sir.
Are these three triangles congruent?
Yes, sir.
What, in which direction? In which orientation?
So ABC and
ABC,
FDE.
PQR,
So FD. Yeah.
yeah, FDE.
Ah. So whenever we say two triangles are same congruent, whenever we say if two triangles are congruent, then we need to check whether, so can I say ABC is congruent to triangle DEF? Hello?
No, sir.
Why?
FDE. It's FDE.
Why it is not DEF? If I change the orientation, why it is not same?
So because like AB is
Because
equals
yes, sir.
to FD,
We
not
have to equalify all the things.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
that is the reason it is ABC is similar to triangle FDE.
But if in exam this comes, so we have to state why is it equal, right? We
Yeah,
have to show that all these
yeah,
sides are equal
yes,
or
yes.
angles.
So now let us see the criteria for congruency of triangles. For congruency of triangles. So the first axiom in this is SES criteria, side angle side criteria.
Oh, we have
So,
this.
yeah, you have this. So the side angle side congruency is whenever if two triangles are said to be congruent, if two sides and the included angle of a triangle, the included angle of one triangle are equal to the sides are equal to the sides and the included angle of the other triangle. And the included angle of other triangle. Of other triangle. Then we can say these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Now tell me whether in this diagram this A, B, C, D, and this is point O. In this figure, OA is equals to OB and OD is equals to OC. And they ask you to prove whether the given triangle is congruent or not. Given two triangles.
It is.
Or it is
It is
If,
congruent.
if they are congruent, just let me know what with what
Side
condition.
angle side.
Side angle side, but what are the sides and everything?
So side is OD and OC are equal, and OA and OB are equal, and they're vertically opposite angles. So both of the O are equal. AOD and COB are equal.
So OA is equals to OB,
Yeah.
OC is equals to OD,
OD.
angle AOD is
AOD
equals
is
to
equal
angle
to
BOC,
BOC.
since vertically opposite angles.
Yeah.
Therefore, by SAS congruency, triangle AOD is is congruent to triangle BOC. Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, so as they are congruent triangles, can I say all the angles inside internally the triangle also will be equal? Like that is, this is equals to this. Can I say this angle also will be equals to this angle?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah, sir.
Angle ODA will be equals to angle OCB.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, if two lines, if I consider line CB and AD, if I want to prove them parallel, can I prove them parallel now?
So can you
Sir?
repeat?
Yeah.
Prove that CB is parallel to AD. This is the question.
Sir, we will use alternate angles.
Yeah, you can use the alternate angle concept here.
Interior alternate angle.
Sure.
Alternate angles are equal, lines are parallel.
Yeah. So, but then this question won't come in triangles. It will come in lines and angles.
Now I have asked the continuation of this triangles question.
It can come as both. You never know. It's
Yeah.
One second. Next question.
so is this a question?
Yeah.
So in the first line after segment, what have you written?
Mm-hmm.
In the first line after
Yes.
segment, what have you written?
Segment, sorry.
After segment, a word you have written.
In line L is its
Okay.
perpendicular bisector. If a point P lies on line L, show that P is equidistant from A and B.
Okay, sir.
So I got an answer, but
Yeah, madam, you need to prove that. What you need to prove, you just tell me. Send it in the message.
yeah. So, but then it's proved
So
like.
can we use CPCT in this?
Yeah, you can use the CPCT.
Okay.
What is CPCT?
Yeah, I will explain that.
Corresponding paths of congruent triangles.
So we need to prove this by SAS property only, right?
It is provable only by SAS. Yes, Rahat, that's correct.
So in the chat we just write that it is.
I haven't received anything from you, Lavanya.
So what do we write in the chat as the answer?
What to prove, that's all.
What to prove?
Yeah. Yes, it's correct, Rishi. So in this question, if we see, this is how ABC looks like. AB is a line segment, and line L is perpendicular bisector, and we need to show that a point P which is equidistant from, so this is a point P which is equidistant from A to B. Let this be point C. So now let us take two triangles. We need to prove that PA is equals to PB. This is we need to prove. And in the question it's given that perpendicular bisector. So AC is equals to BC. This is AC is equals to BC since it's a perpendicular bisector, and angle PCA is equal to PB, which is equals to 90 degrees since it is a perpendicular bisector. And can I say PC is the common side in both the triangles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So two lines and the included angle in between them. So can I say PCA, triangle PCA is congruent to triangle PCB? Hello?
Yes,
By
sir.
SAS
sir.
congruency. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent
Congruent
triangles.
triangles.
So, iska corresponding part, AP ka corresponding part will be PB, right? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
So, the corresponding parts of a congruent triangle are equal. So, by
Oh, that
CPCT,
is CP.
yeah,
Oh,
C
So
is
what is CPCPT? Can you like full form?
CPCT is corresponding
parts of concrete triangles.
parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So
So,
by
sir, after
CPC,
removing all this, we just put CPCT and it's done.
yeah, you can say that by CPCT we can say PA is equals to PB. If PA is equals to PB, therefore finally we can say P is equidistant to A and B.
Yes, sir.
Is it
So
clear,
why
everybody?
can't we just use CPCT in the start of the question, sir? Like,
No, because we don't know that given two triangles are congruent, right?
It's
We don't know.
corresponding part of congruent triangles.
It's
In the start, if
corresponding
we
part
do, we
of,
don't know if it is
we don't know
congruent or
whether it
not.
is congruent or not, right? Hello?
okay, first we have to prove that it's congruent.
We need to prove first it's a congruent, then we need to say by CPCT we can say that these two are equal.
Okay.
Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, ASA congruency. Next criteria is angle side angle congruency. So yeah, angle side angle congruency क्या है कि let us take two triangles which are congruent. uh, two triangles, हम दो triangles लेते हैं in which if two angles are equal, two angles and the included side of a triangle, the two angles and included side of one triangle is equal to two angles and included side of the other triangle. Two angles and included side of another triangle. Another triangle. Then we can say that given two triangles are congruent. Are congruent. Clear? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Let me give you same another question. Line segment AB. Okay. This is A, B, C, D. AB is parallel to given this AB is parallel to CD and O is the midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of AD. Now, uh, prove triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC.
Sir, are these triangle which you have shown in the finger congruent by angle side?
Yeah. Yeah, they are congruent by angle side. And by using that congruency, what can you say regarding the line OC and OB?
Sir,
They both are
once these two
equal.
triangles CPCTC, sorry CPCT,
CPCT से क्या बोल सकते हैं?
OB is equal to OC.
Yeah, OB is equals to OC. Can I say O is the midpoint of BC also?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's end the class. I actually have a class at 7 a.m. Sorry, 7 p.m. So we'll continue from the next class. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye.
So this week, no
Thank you.
homework. No homework. We'll continue from the next class. Okay?
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Laksh.
sir, you were about to explain me that the center of the triangle one.
Yeah, we'll do it in the next class. मैंने बोला है कि in the next class we will be doing it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Bye.